Alright, it's day 6 and we are heading off into the Rocky Mountains. Today's goal is Canmore. It's still really windy. Also, I found this GMC logo yesterday, so I'm now officially naming my bike Grandma Cycle. Yeah, let's go.
See, I took life for granted, 'cause I didn't think the day would come where I would be right here standing in front of my friends and all of my fans.
You know I question your tendencies. Drop a new style, you're dead to me. You said you never change, you said you'd stay the same. How could you fuck up the recipe? Sent you a message.
This ain't even slow motion.
Before these numbers we talk every day. I guess we related back then. You pulled me out of my darkness when she fucked me up, and you know I was stuck in my head. When I couldn't take anymore, I would go to my room and play you while I cried in my bed. I bought every piece of merch that you dropped, stayed up late to be the first that would cop. I just took it all some miles out of town, burned it all in an abandoned parking lot. Couldn't stand another second with it. Wasn't sure what I was rapping with it. How the hell are people rocking with it? How you making all this pop rap? You're supposed to be a fucking savage with it. Guess you're onto better things these days. Maybe you'll come back to Earth one day.
That's supposed to be a tourist information. That doesn't look like a tourist information to me. Alright, we found a campground. It's not that late yet, it's like 1:30. But first off, we're in Canmore, and second off, it's weekend, so it's really hard to find camp spots around there that aren't full. California had a nice thing where they had hiker-biker spots where you could stay, which were basically always open because there weren't that many hiker-bikers around. But yeah, so we're lucky we found some, and I guess tomorrow is first day on the Great Divide then. Let's see, we also saw Boston Pizza on the way in, so you know what that means. Spare ups. Yo, nice car. Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty convincing.
Funny thing is, she listen to you. No ghost gotta be like her favorite tune. And with her in my life, it's my favorite too. See, I guess as you grew, I got left behind. Should've followed the clues that you left to guide. Just took a little bit for me to see the signs, but now I feel like we're back living side by side. So no matter where you go, I'll catch up in time. Don't worry about me, I'ma be just fine. Love the new stuff, we know all the lines. By the way, send hoodies, I'ma need 2 signs.
I took life for granted, 'cause I didn't think the day would come where I would be right here standing in front of my friends and all of my fans, saying I will never let you down. I will never
GMC.
let you down. I will never let you down. I will never let you down. Never let you down. No.
Das ist gerade reinge...
No, 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 no. Never let.
Alright, so the rest of what happened today was we basically went and bought some jackets for the really cold mornings here. Then we went to Boston Pizza to get some spare ribs again, which is nice. Now it started raining a lot. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow with some thunderstorms, but we stopped here in Canmore, and my mom and me are going up the Great Divide for the first time tomorrow. Then we'll probably head back down here, put up camp one more time, sleep here, and we'll all go up to Banff probably the day after, and then start the Great Divide from there. But yeah, let's first have a look at how the weather is going to be tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.
Standing in front of my friends and all of my fans.